The fox and the grapes. The grapes are sour. One hot summer's day, a hungry fox wandered through a forest until he came across an orchard. There, he saw a bunch of ripe, juicy grapes hanging high on a vine. Just what I need to quench my thirst, thought the fox. He took a few steps back, ran, and jumped, but missed the grapes by a good foot. Determined, he tried again, leaping higher, but still couldn't reach them. Despite several more attempts, each more strenuous than the last, the grapes remained just out of reach. Exhausted and frustrated, the fox finally gave up. He sat down for a moment, catching his breath and thinking. As he stood up to leave, he tried to console himself by saying, "Those grapes are probably sour anyway. I wouldn't want them even if I could reach them." With that, the fox trotted off, leaving the tantalizing grapes behind. The moral of the story is clear: it is easy to despise what you cannot have. The fox's reaction is a classic example of cognitive dissonance, where people alter their attitudes to align with their realities.